Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Urban Decay makeup. This video is in partnership with Urban Decay and I'm super excited about this because I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of their holiday sale items. This is going to be a really good one, especially if you're like me and you love a good sale. So let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be starting off with primer. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This is a longwear foundation grip primer. I love a good grip primer. You guys know we need the makeup to last, so I'm just going to be applying this all over the face.
You can find this all-nighter primer on sale with the all-nighter setting spray in a set for 30% off exclusively at Macy's.
I love the fact that this prep smooths and primes the face, so it really is such a gorgeous base for the face. It's a nice consistency, so whether you have dry skin or oily skin, it's gonna work great. So now that we've done the primer, we're gonna move on to the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. Another product that's great, especially if you do want that nice hydration. I am using this one in the shade medium, and I'm just going to be applying it all over my face so we can create that perfect base.
Shop the Tinted Glow Hydrator by Urban Decay over at urbandecay.com right now for 30% off site-wise, and then on the 29th, 40% off. You don't want to miss this deal.
You guys can see how it still gives you a very healthy glow without looking super dewy and luminous, which I love because I am naturally an oily skin person. So this glow just looks like a glow from within and perfect for this time of the year. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes because we have this perfect base to start with, so we can just get into the eye portion. So I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the original one, and I'm gonna be placing this on my lids to prep them.
Amazon.com has got you covered right now for 40% off this eyeshadow primer potion, and the amazing thing is that you get it in a dough set, so you get 2 for 40% off.
And this is just gonna make my oily eyelids not look super oily. Just kind of give them a nice coat so that I can apply the eyeshadow on top. And now we're gonna move on to the star of the show, the Naked Reloaded palette. This palette is absolutely beautiful for every day. Like, it literally has those tones that you can use for every day, but you can also use this for a night out. It literally has the colors that you will need. So today I'm gonna be doing a soft glam just because I feel like who doesn't love a soft glam? It can work for an everyday look or it can look for an evening out. So I just took Bucked and Boundaries, which are my favorite transition colors from this palette, to really create a nice soft effect. And I just love how easily these colors blend. You guys know that Urban Decay is the OG with their Naked palettes. Let me know in the comment section down below if the Urban Decay Naked palettes were one of your first makeup purchases when you first got into makeup, because I feel like it's literally one of the OG palettes. Okay, so once we have those colors on the crease, we're gonna move on to a nice lid shade. So I'm gonna be using the shade Blur, and I'm just gonna be applying it all over.
The Naked Reloaded palette is 50% off exclusively at Ulta Beauty from November 28th to November 30th. Definitely worth checking out. Look at these gorgeous shades. Like, it's perfect for every day tonight.
I also love the packaging in this palette. I just feel like it's so nice and compact, super like thin, so it literally fits anywhere. And of course you get the mirror in here that you're able to use for anytime you want to do your eyeshadow. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the two browns that I started off with, Bucked and Boundaries, and I'm just gonna be wrapping up the look on this outer edge. Like I said, I did want to keep this super soft, so I'm not gonna go back in and go in deeper with it. I just want it to be a everyday friendly type of look. So once we have that, we're gonna go in with eyeliner just to kind of give the look a little bit more of, like, you know, a little pop. So I wanted to pick between the black and the brown just because these are like the traditional tones that I like to use for every day. This is like such a throwback, but going back to the days where I worked in Sephora inside JCPenney, I literally always sold these pencils. People love the Urban Decay eyeliners. These literally stay on all day long and people would always repurchase them. So it's great to see that these are on sale. because who doesn't love a good eyeliner? I feel like eyeliner's everything. So I'm gonna be taking this eyeliner and I'm just going to be doing a little wing on the side. They're so creamy, so they really glide on so well. Which is literally why they're called 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, because they just glide like butter.
Another amazing Amazon deal is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencils, which are on sale for 40% off, and you also get the Perversion Mascara with them in a set.
You guys know me, I always like to do just my little half wing, just halfway in, just because I personally like how it elongates my eye shape, but you can always go in all the way. These are great for a wing just because they have that nice tip. You can always sharpen these. You can also apply these on your waterline. They will stay on all day long. So I'm gonna be taking the shade Bribe, and I'm just gonna be applying that on the brow bone highlight to give the brow bone that little pop. That's why I love when palettes have this nice like vanilla tone, because I feel like it really is a very wearable color that a lot of people use for a lot of their looks. So I just love that they have that here. Makes the brows also look a little bit more defined. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I like to do, because this palette literally has a gorgeous like salmon-y pink tone right here. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Retro, and I'm just gonna be applying that on my cheeks, and you guys can see like it's literally the prettiest pinky salmon-y tone, and it just looks so great. Like, look at that. It literally looks so good, and you would never think to go in with an eyeshadow and use it as your blush, but I really love it for blush because I feel like it complements the whole look so well. It's this nice soft tone. Now we're gonna be taking mascara to coat these lower lashes, because we really wanna also bring them out as well. And I have the perfect mascara that will do that for you. Okay, the Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. The wand is like no other. It really is really fine and precise. It's really gonna coat those lashes.
The Lash Freak Mascara is on sale for $10 over at Ulta, Sephora, and Amazon. Definitely worth checking it out right now.
Instantly coats it and makes it look so beautiful. Highly recommend this Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay. It is so good. And now's the best time to get it because it's legit on sale. Now we're gonna move on to the last step, but my favorite step, and that is lips. So I'm gonna be taking the Vice lipsticks. These are two of my favorite lipsticks. So I'm gonna be showing you guys both of them because they're both stunning. You can never go wrong with these. And these are on sale on Urban Decay's website. So this is the perfect time to get a really, really good lipstick. So first I have here Horchata, which, I mean, my favorite drink. This one is a gorgeous, nice brownie tone. This one I've used and it literally is like the perfect statement. It's like a soft matte consistency. The formula of this is just so good. It's so creamy, but it still is a very nice long wearing lipstick. So I really love that color right there. And then if you wanna go for a little bit more of a nude situation, I also love this one, which is called What's Your Sign? I'm all about zodiac signs. So this is like, that's literally when I ask people, I'm like, so what's your sign? Like everybody I come across, I'm like, I have to get this lipstick, and I fell in love with it. So this is What's Your Sign? It's like a nice nudie pink. I think I'm gonna go in with Horchata because I just love this like nice warm tone. And they're just so creamy. And then of course, I just need to take it to the next level. So I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay Gloss in the shade Runyon. This one is stunning. It just kind of gives the lip like that fudgy tone. I love this. This combination is one that you guys need to check out.
So if you're obsessed with lipsticks and lip glosses like I am, you definitely have to check out these from Urban Decay during their sale right now. 30% off right now, and then 40% off on November 29th. Don't miss it.
You cannot leave the house without this guy right here, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, the OG, the holy grail. This does no wrong. I literally have like this much left in here. I love this stuff. Another item that is on sale. And such a great deal because I mean, whenever I see this on sale, I'm like, I need to stock up because this stuff is good. So you can get this on sale. You can also get this in the set with the mini primer if you want to check out the primer that I talked about in this video. So that's always a really good deal when you get a full size and a mini to check out the new product. The All Nighter collection is just fantastic, but the OG one is next level. So let's go ahead and spray this face because we need this makeup to last all day long.
Shop the setting spray over at Amazon.com right now and you get 2.
Just like that, this look is complete using all Urban Decay products. And like I said, all these products are on sale right now. And you can find them at your favorite stores and also on Urban Decay's website. I'm gonna have all the information listed down below in the description box in case you weren't able to catch it in the video. So definitely look down below for all the info that you will need. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video where I transformed from early morning, just woke up, to glam, ready for the day. I'm put together right now, I'm feeling good. If you guys did enjoy watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know to continue doing these type of videos for you guys. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.